is this AC Delco 0W20 DEXOS D oil actually the worst oil out there? I don't know if I'd really agree that it is the worst. And it's not a horrible oil by any means. It is a semi-synthetic, and there's a lot of stuff going on out there, well, as far as oil analysis, including on my channel. But I do want to say the 0W20 is what we use at our dealership, and it's actually an oil that has allowed a lot of these engines to last a long time. So there are better oils out there. There's definitely better oils. If I were to stick with a DEXOS D 0W20, I wouldn't be too scared to use this AC Delco oil. However, I would honestly, personally, I would run the Mobil 1 0W20. I believe that is a much better oil than this is, but I'm not saying that this is bad. I'm just saying that there is better oil out there, and I have that proof for my own vehicle, showing my oil analysis for the 0W20 tests, where the Mobil 1 actually outperforms. Now, that same sentence, I have run 30 weight oils in my engine, and I have better results as far as oil analysis goes with a 30 weight oil. So you're really not doing harm necessarily by running a AC Delco oil, but there is better out there. So that's what a lot of people need to understand, that there is better. But this is still good, in my opinion. The analysis still comes back pretty good, and there's nothing alarming that's shown on there. We know that this super thin oil is scary. It's like water. I agree with that, but it does work. It's not like you're pouring in death right there. Could it be limiting the life of your engine? Absolutely. Could be in comparison to a 30 weight, but that's where your oil analysis would tell you that, and that's what I've done on my vehicle. So I run a 30 weight personally at this current moment, but this stuff, it's not as bad as it's said. It is a semi-synthetic. Full synthetic Mobil 1 would be the one that I suggest if we're running a DEXOS D approved 0W20 oil. So don't let the internet scare you guys.